Mazda, in the last 2 years, has put all its best into a completely new CX SUV lineup from CX-60 to CX-90. Mazda CX-90, when launched, will compete with Kia Telluride and Hyundai Palisade as well as SUVs of the same price range from Audi, BMW, or Lexus according to the ambition of the host brand. If you want the most spacious Mazda 3-row SUV possible, Mazda previously offered an option, the CX-9. However, in the future, this name line may be directly replaced by the CX-90 in many markets. The CX-90 is a new era SUV line that runs on a comprehensively upgraded chassis compared to the rest of the Mazda lineup. This week, the Mazda CX-90 made a test appearance in the US with a fairly well-covered exterior. However, looking at the car as a whole, we can still realize that the SUV has a significantly smoother style than the previous CX-9 and can partly be considered an enlarged version of the CX-60 released before. The influence from the Junior CX-60 has been released. In 2023, the CX-90 is not only in overall shape, but also comes from the interface of the headlights and radiators. In addition to the distinctly superior size, the Mazda CX-90 also has a more superficial stance thanks to its large width. Mazda's first six engine. International movie star Hiroyuki Sanada will join us in capturing this extraordinary moment in Mazda history in the Mazda CX-90 Unboxed. He will oversee each unboxing and assembly of our most ambitious vehicle. Join him to discover what happens when you build a car around the driver. The majority of vehicles in this lineup will be equipped with new on-demand quick-drive frames coupled with premium 6-cylinder engines. Mazda's first six engine. International movie star Hiroyuki Sanada will join us in capturing this extraordinary moment in Mazda history in the Mazda CX-90 Unboxed. He will oversee each unboxing and assembly of our most ambitious vehicle. Join him to discover what happens when you build a car around the driver. The majority of vehicles in this lineup will be equipped with new on-demand quick-drive frames coupled with premium 6-cylinder engines. Mazda North America Operations will unveil the first Mazda CX-90 2024. The CX-90 will be equipped with the all-new 3.3L Inline Six e-Skyactiv turbo engine, which is very powerful and responsive. The available 3.3-liter Turbo 6 will get the most horsepower and torque from a Mazda-developed mass-produced gasoline engine with 340 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque in use. Use of premium fuel is recommended. This engine gives the CX-90 an engaging driving experience with a worthy exhaust, and features a mild hybrid system for efficiency without sacrificing performance. With this Inline Six, developed specifically for the big platform, Mazda's all-new rear-biased all-wheel drive layout supports a performance-focused experience. In addition, the dynamic posture control system, first introduced on the MX-5 Miata, is standard on all CX-90 models and will help maintain the signature dynamic driving dynamics of the CX-90. Mazda for a 3-row SUV crossover. Through passion and precision, we aspire to breathe life into automotive form. Not just for design purposes, but for the power of light and shadow to inspire and evoke the senses. As the result of our commitment to our craft and years of meticulous dedication to those we serve, is the great culmination of everything we believe in and strive for. An elegant, bold, and powerful emotional tool, crafted and designed to organize and enhance every experience you share with it, inside and out. e-Skyactiv multi-solubility, scalable architecture products that will be introduced mainly to Japan, Europe, USA, China, and ASEAN from 2022 to 2025 will include 5 hybrid models, 5 plug models in hybrid and 3 EV models. In addition, a number of products with e-Skyactiv scalable electric vehicle architecture will be introduced between 2025 and 2030. Based on this product launch plan, we assume that 100% of our products will be electrified to some extent and that our EV share will be 25% by 2030. In terms of building the foundation for safety technology, we are currently working on implementing a human-centered autonomous driving system, Mazda Co-Pilot concept, on our vehicles. This Mazda co-driver always monitors the driver's condition, and if a sudden change in the driver's physical condition is detected, switch to autopilot, bring the vehicle to a safe place, stop vehicle and make an emergency call. For the first step, called Mazda Co-Pilot 1.0, we plan to start rolling it out from our major products from 2022. The 2030 Sustainable Zoom vision puts the individual at the heart of three areas. Planet, society, and humanity. We will continue to follow the human-centered development philosophy that values humanity and inherent human potential towards a future where carbon neutrality and CASE are defining the industry. By providing the means to help people reach their full potential, we aim to realize a sustainable and compassionate society. Mazda intends to strengthen our underlying software technology development initiatives to enable the next generation of mobile services as a service, MaaS, and to update vehicle functions online. 5 Japanese OEMs, including Mazda, will jointly develop standard specifications of next-generation in-vehicle communications devices to promote a standardized communication system that provides safer and stress-free connection service sooner. We will drive the development of the next-generation electrical/electronic architecture, which enables rapid data processing from inside and outside the vehicle.